Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing great. Happy New Year. In today's video, I want to review and talk about the importance of using a micellar water in your evening skincare routine, especially if you're wearing makeup or if you've had a very rough day wherein you've been outside a lot in under the sun, or just had a lot of pollution and all of that. So it's really important to use micellar water, and I'll be also reviewing the Bioderma micellar water. This came to me in PR, being very honest, but I have used this micellar water even before, and it's really nice. And along with that, I'll be telling you the importance of using a micellar water. So let's start. So guys, initially whenever I used to do makeup, I would just wash my face and go to my skincare routine. I would not double cleanse at all. So you see what happens, especially with foundation and especially with somebody like me or anybody in general, we all have pores, right? Some have big pores, some have small pores, right? So the foundation really penetrates deep inside our pores, be it a foundation, be it a highlighter, whatever it is that we use. Now, in order to remove that, we use the method called double cleansing, and the first step of double cleansing is using a micellar water. A lot of times people use any kind of oil to remove their makeup and then get into using a face wash, which I do too. And a lot of people skip the step of micellar water. Guys, micellar water is the first step, because that's where double cleansing comes from. Why? That's the whole point of doing double cleansing. You have to use this in order to get rid of your makeup and then go on to using any kind of oil based cleanser or balm based cleanser. But your first step has to be a micellar water, because it removes the top layer of your makeup, but the inner layer of your makeup you have to use a double cleanser as well. But you can't just use a double cleanser and you're thinking that everything is off. No, it isn't. And honestly telling you, a lot of times when you have done like simple basic makeup like this, not way too loud, not too much cakiness, all layers happening on your face, you can also avoid double cleansing. Like, you don't need a oil based cleanser and all of that. You can just use the Bioderma micellar water, go on with life. So yeah, so now I'm going to show you how this actually works and how it removes my makeup altogether. Like, generally when it comes to makeup removal, you don't really need a lot of products. Like, this one really does the job really well, right? So let me just show you guys how it removes makeup. I'm gonna take some on the cotton pad. This literally has no fragrance whatsoever. I'm gonna start up with my eyes. Here's the thing of using micellar water: don't just put it on your eyes and then just swipe it off. Keep it on for at least 30 seconds and then swipe it off. That really helps take it off in one swipe kind of a situation. Like, makes it pretty easy. Now I'll show you on the other eye. If you just put it and not hold it on for 30 seconds, what happens? So here I'll just put it and take it off. See, it won't happen, right? So you have to put it for a minimum 30 seconds and then take it off. See, now I put it for 30 seconds and then I removed it. It makes a difference. So that's the correct way of using a micellar water. See, it's pretty, like, it's all going with just a little bit micellar water that I put on this cotton pad. Even like, there are a lot of times that I've used other micellar waters and they don't really take off the mascara and inner eye thing. This one does. This one really does. That's what I really like about it. See, I didn't need to take it again. I took very little and all of it is off my face. Even the mascara and the kajal. Okay, kajal little bits there simply because I don't like poking it inside my eyes so much. But let me show you by doing it. See, even the kajal comes off with this.
damn nice.
So if you're looking to buy a really nice micellar water that actually works and you don't want to buy another oil, another balm, all of that, you just want to buy one thing, this is the one. Bioderma Micellar water. This is the guy for you. So guys, that is all for today's video, and if you guys like the kind of content that I make, please do consider subscribing. My channel is going to be all about makeup, skincare, hair care, basically self-care and makeup. And if you are into that kind of stuff, do consider subscribing to my channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.